Hiccups. Thirsty. Thirsty. Honey, thirsty. Hiccups. Mommy. Mommy. I need thirsty. Oh wow.
What?
My bus water in the basement. The Hiccups.
What's up, buddy? Hi.
I need thirsty.
You're thirsty. Okay.
Hiccups.
You have the hiccups?
Yep.
Oh, no. Good thing you thought of getting a drink. Hey, come out here. I want to show you something.
Show me.
Look, I got those chalk markers out for your shirt. But be mindful. Just right on the black part. And that's
No
it.
way.
Anyway. Oh, hold on. I'll show you. You probably have to push down and get it started. Let me see quick. Hold on. I'll show you. Hold on. Let's see. Hold on. We got to get it started. Oops. Oh, here it comes. There you go. There's the green, or the pink one. Okay, I got the green one ready.
Put on those Wendy's. Black.
What's black?
McDonald's. Or Wendy's.
Yeah. And you like Arby's too, don't you?
Yeah. Chuck E. Cheese.
Oh, Chuck E. Cheese. You want to write that one next? Here's your blue ones already. And last we have this sort of orangey colored one to get ready. Okay, you want to write Chuck E. Cheese?
Yes.
Okay, C-H-U-C Okay? Now do a capital E. Period. Now, I'm going to write cheese. Ch, 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 ch. Now, you got 2 E's. Then S-E.
S-E.
Perfect.
Chuck E. Cheese. Cap on. Come.
What?
Chuck E. Cheese. Come.
Come?
Yes.
Like you want to come to Chuck E. Cheese?
Chuck E. Cheese. Come. Right, Chuck E. Cheese. Come again.
Oh, you want to go there again? Chuck E. Let me get that little hair off of there. Oh, hang on. Got it. You got space up here. You could try blue or this orange color. What a cool shirt this is. You can make as much art on it as you want, and then you can erase it and do it again. Isn't that neat? Whoa, look at that cool blue.
Gummy Santa.
What?
Gummy Santa.
Santa?
Gummy Santa.
Gummy Santa? Oh,
Yes.
from the Gummy Bear show that we watched when we were at the party yesterday? I wonder what that color will look like. Ooh, pretty. Yay! You're awesome.
Toys. There are toys. Trash.
Trash?
Yes.
Because Forky thinks he's trash. Okay. T, t, t. Ah, ah, ah. Shh. Nope. Shh is S-H. Good. Perfect. Trash. Good job.
Toys.
How do you make it toys? Yes.
They're not toys.
Well, that's what you said.
Oops. Class. Joe.
That's your friend in school, right?
Sean.
Joe and John. John is a short name for you, right?
Jonathan.
Right.
Joe. Sean.
Right. Joe and John. Joe, Josephine, John, Jonathan.
This. Joe. Feet.
You want to write Josephine? Okay. S-E-P-H-I-N-E. Josephine. Maybe we could make something for Josephine. Should we make her a card?
Maybe get off everything. Woody.
You know how to write that, don't you?
Yes.
Okay, go ahead.
Mommy spell.
I thought you knew how to spell it.
But how?
Oh, you don't know how? Okay. And this time the sound is 2 O's. W-O-O-D, and then Y. Why, you're valuable property. Right, Jonathan? Is that what Jessie says?
Bus.
And Stinky Pete says, you don't know who you are, do you?
Bus.
Oh, you know how to write Buzz.
Lighter.
Oh, you already wrote Buzz and you need help with Lightyear?
Yes.
Okay. Lightyear. Ooh. Right. And then you have a tricky combination of G.
T.
That's right. And then T. And then year. Oop, close. That looks like Buzz Lighter. Buzz Lighter. But it's light year. So it would have been Lightyear.
A-R.
Don't forget the Y. T, and then there's a Y after the T. Okay, that'll work.
Jessie. I spelled Jessie.
You know how to spell Jessie, don't you?
Yeah.
Okay. Eh, 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 eh. And I have twice, 2 S's. And the end part is I-E. Nope. E.
E.
Okay. There you go. Jessie.
Yes.
Do you want to draw more on there? Do you want me to erase that and you can draw more?
No, it's perfect.
It's perfect. Okay. You going to wear it like that?
At school.
You're going to wear it to school? Neat. Very, very neat. And you wrote Josephine on here, so she'll be very excited.
Is Josephine a note?
You want to write her a note?
Yes.
I love that idea. She's going to love that if you go back to school with a note for her.
Yeah.
All right. Let's see. Find some good paper that we have left in here.
Oh, buddy.
Oh, yeah, you had some paper back there too, didn't you? Oh, Jonathan, what a wonderful job you did making this Forky with his feet and the rainbows. Look at that. Big rainbow feet. So cute.